YouTube success tips: create, grow, and shine. Let's build your dream channel together. Like, comment, and subscribe to join the journey. Are you ready to take your YouTube journey to the next level? In this video, I'm sharing the ultimate tips to help you create content that stands out, grow your channel, and truly shine in the world of YouTube. Step 1: How to find your niche and connect with your audience. Keycap 1: How to find your niche and connect with your audience. Finding your niche is one of the most crucial steps to YouTube success. Here's how to do it effectively. Step 1: Identify your passions and skills. Think about what you love and what you're good at. Are you passionate about gaming, cooking, tech reviews, or storytelling? Your niche should align with your interests and expertise so you'll enjoy creating content consistently. Step 2: Research popular topics. Check what's trending in your area of interest. Use tools like YouTube Search, Google Trends, and even your favorite creators' content to see what audiences are engaging with. Look for gaps, something people want to see but isn't oversaturated. Step 3: Be specific. The more focused your niche, the easier it is to stand out. For example, instead of fitness, you could focus on home workouts for beginners or fitness tips for busy professionals. Step 4: Connect with your audience. Engage in comments, reply to comments on your videos and participate in discussions. Ask for feedback, encourage viewers to share what they'd like to see next. Understand their needs, watch analytics to learn which topics resonate most with your viewers. Pro tip: your niche might evolve over time, and that's okay. Start with what feels right and adapt based on feedback and your growth. Connecting with your audience is about being authentic, listening to them, and building a community that feels valued. That's how you turn viewers into loyal subscribers. Wait for the next session. More exciting content is just around the corner. Stay tuned. The next video. Step 2: Proven strategies to grow your subscribers and boost engagement. Step 3: Secrets to creating eye-catching thumbnails and compelling titles. Step 4: Tips for staying consistent and motivated as a content creator. Exciting things are on the way, don't miss it. Let's build your dream channel together.